Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore left censoring and right censoring through real-life examples. After this video, you will understand what left censoring is and what right censoring is, and you will easily differentiate among them what are the differences and what exactly these censorings are. So let's start with left censoring. Suppose there is a doctor who's take 3 patients for a treatment to be tested. He wanted to give treatments to 3 patients for their progression of health condition. Suppose these 3 patients has some kind of a disease. But the doctor observed that a very interesting fact actually. The one patient was detected that his progression of health condition just started before the study conducted. So it doesn't any kind of sense to give him a treatment. What if he has already his disease was gone? So suppose the study was conducted 1st June to 13 June, and then the one patient's his progression of health condition started before 1st June. So this is the pure case of left censoring. From this example, we can get some of the observations. First observation is an event of interest. In this case, the event of interest is the progression of health condition, which is exactly happened before the study conducted. In particular, this case before 1st June. Next information is the exact time. See, we know that the event of interest occur before the study conducted, but we doesn't have exact timing at which time the event of interest occurs. In particular, in this case, we know that before 1st June, the event of interest occurs, but we doesn't have exact timing at which time event of interest occurs. It may be to 25th May, it could be 1st January, etc. But we doesn't have exact timing. Next is a mathematical terminology. Suppose T as a event of interest occurring time and C as a censoring time, then always T will be less than C. Or other way, it indicates that the event of interest definitely occurred before the study was conducted. So next one is our right censoring. Yes. For this right censoring to be understandable, we use a light bulb experiment. Suppose there is a scientist who wanted to test a light bulb's performance or their quality. So he took 10 light bulbs and he observed 200 hours these 10 light bulbs. He found that after 200 hours, 9 bulbs were still good and 1 were fused. After 20 hours later, in 220 hours, he found that 8 bulbs were good and 2 bulbs were fused. He ran this experiment a little more better and he found after 10 hours, in 230 hours later, 6 bulbs were good and 4 were fused. So after this 230 hours later, somehow what happens is he turned off his experiment because maybe he had run out of time, maybe he's run out of money, it could be any reason, but he still wants to find out this 6 bulb quality. So what he can do? Yes, he can use something very special, something very magical. In statistics, we have a survival function which has the ability to provide probability of surviving beyond a certain time point. In this particular case, 230 hours later, what will be the probability of surviving this 6 bulb quality? So in this experiment, after understanding this experiment, we can easily conclude some of the observation. First is the event of interest. In this case, the event of interest is the failure of light bulbs. And next one, and to be noted that event of interest definitely occur after the study was conducted. It means that after 230 hours later, maybe these light bulbs will collapse. Next information is exact time. Similarly, the exact time, we doesn't have exact time here in this part as well. We only know that event of interest, failure of light bulbs, will definitely occur after 230 hours later. Next information is our mathematical terminology. In this case, it's alternative to left censoring. If T is event of interest and C is a censoring time, then definitely C will be less than T, and it indicates that the event of interest will definitely occur after the study was conducted. In conclusion, we can say, first of all, for left censoring, that the event of interest will definitely occur before the study conducted, and for right censoring, the event of interest definitely will be occur after this study was conducted. So in this video, we will easily find out what left censoring and right censorings are, and most importantly, you have to understand that the event of interest will definitely occur outside of the study. It will never occur inside study, because if it is inside the study, we have exact timing, we have all the information, and that then it will be no case of censoring, because censoring deals with incomplete data, incomplete information. So that is the notable thing here, and this is what left censoring and right censoring are. I hope you will understand from this video. Thank you very much.